Alright, so now I'm going to configure the web server. So go to Start and Administrative Tool and choose the Internet Information Service ILS Manager. Alright, so click on, I'm going to expand the WinServe and then the sites. Okay, so this is the default website. I'm going to test it by browse. Okay, so there you have it. It works fine. Okay, so now I'm going to add new site. So add website. And then I'm going to name it as group 9. Okay, the physical file is, I'm going to choose it from inside the inet pub. And there's a folder I have created and added earlier, group 9. So I'm going to choose this folder. And I'm going to assign it to my IPv4 address, which is 172.16.10.2. And then I click on OK. Okay, so now this is the group 9, the new site that I have just created. So I'm going to go to the default document. And then I'm going to move the index.html. Okay, move up until it reaches the stop. Okay, there you have it. I have moved the index.html. Okay, so now I'm going to test this site that I have just created. Right click on this site name and then browse. Okay, so there you have it. This is the address that I have stated, and then this is the page that I have added inside the group 9 folder, inside the folder of inetpub. Okay, so now I'm going to create the HTTPS or the SSL connection for or SSL access to my website, web service. Alright, so now I'm going to create the SSL or the HTTPS. So I'm going to go to the WinServe and then click on Server Certificates. So I'm going to create a self-signed certificate. So the name I'm going to give is Group 9 WebCert. And then I'm going to click OK. So it's creating the cert. Okay, there you have it. The cert have been created. So I'm going to go back to the site. And then I'm going to choose the bindings. So I'm going to add new bindings. So choose HTTPS. And then choose the SSL certificate. Okay, this is the newly created set. And then just click on the OK button. So there you have it. So this is the new bindings that you just added, and then just close it. Okay, and then go to the SSL settings and then check on the required SSL. Okay, so go to group 9. Okay, so save the changes, yes, and then you may try it, browse it using the 443 or HTTPS. Okay, there you go. Continue with the website, although it's not recommended. Okay, do the IPv6 web. Okay, so the IPv6 web service, I'm going to go to the site again and add new website. Okay, the name I'm going to put is group 9 IPv6. Okay, IPv6. Alright, so the physical path, I'm going to choose the same path that I've chosen just now in the inet pub, and then the group 9, and then click on OK. So this is, I'm going to choose the IPv6 address, port 80, no hostname, and then just click OK. So there you have it, the new IPv6 address. I'm going to test it, just browse it. Okay, there you have it, the IPv6 web service. Okay, so as for both of my IPv6 and IP address has been created and it works fine. So now I'm gonna have to add these into the DNS. So I'm gonna go to the DNS. So I'm gonna choose forward lookup and add new zone. So next, and then choose primary zone to all DNS and add the new zone name, which is group9.com. Okay, next, and then allow both secure and non-secure dynamic updates and click finish. Okay, so once the group 9 has been created, I'm going to go into it and add new host. Okay, I do not need to put in the name, as it will follow the parent's domain name, and then I'm just have to add the address .10.2. okay, and add host. Okay, done. Next, I'm gonna add the CNAME or the alias as www, and then I'm gonna browse Windows Server forward lookup and go back to the same. Okay, that's it, and click on OK. So now I'm gonna do a certificate for the IPv6, and then choose service certificate, and then self-sign certificate again, and the name is group 9 web cert IPv6. okay, and then click on OK. So the cert has been created, and now go to the IPv6 and choose the bindings. Okay, I'm gonna add this new certificate, which is okay, and now IPv6, and then click on OK, and then you just click on yes. Alright, and then close. Okay, go back to the SSL setting and check on the required SSL. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the DNS and save this thing and go back to the before I go back to the DNS, I will try to browse it back using the certificate. Okay, continue. That's it, it works. Alright, so just close it and go back to the DNS, and I'm gonna make new zone for this IPv6. So in the forward lookup, choose new zone, and then click on next, and then choose on primary zone, click on next, and the zone name, just put it group 9 IPv6.com. IPv6, sorry, and click on next and allow both secure and non-secure, and then click on finish. Okay, so there you go, the new forward lookup zone has been created. And then I'm going to choose the AAA. So this time I'm going to add the IPv6 address, which is 2001.2. Okay, add host, and then done. I'm going to add new CNAME or alias. So I'm going to add www for the alias name, and then browse the IPv6. Done. That's it. Okay, so now I'm gonna test the virtual hosting for our website. So I'm gonna open the Internet Explorer and key in the address. So https://www.group9.com. okay, there you have it. So this is the virtual hosting for the IPv4, and then I'm going to try the IPv6 virtual hosting. I'm going to change the address to IPv6. Okay, there you go. So alright, our virtual hosting is done. Okay, so that is all for the web server configuration. Thank you very much.